by Mueller, and Mags got out of it as quick as he could as well. And Mueller is a fine race driver. As a matter of fact, last year, that number 15 Lowe's Acura, Adrian Fernandez, so he running in 5th overall, 4th in class at the time.
Look at this trail of rubber leading right in. He has had his brakes locked as he has gone down the straight, and he's still got it running, thankfully. So if he can get out of there cleanly, this will not be a pace car.
That's down into turn 10, and it really snugs up on the exit.
Well, now, is this Pirro coming in the Audi?
I believe this is Pirro. So we get a report now. Contact. There it is. Pirro into the pits, and they already changed one back end on the car.
I don't think they're going to change this again.
Here's the onboard look, Bill.
Oh, no. Oh, gee, 2 distinct hits. You know what? I'm going to blame him for that, too. He should not have put his car there. The Acura had every right to turn into the corner at that point.
Oh, I think the Porsche may have just caught.
He did.
That's the damage on the left rear.
Over the wall at the nose. Let's get the nose over the wall.
Well, they're going to try and get that car fixed and get back out.
Jan?
They will. They have more body pieces. We already saw a change at the rear. Now they're lifting the nose up over the front of the wall. Obviously, this car designed to make quick changes of large components like the nose and the rear end, but obviously, we're under green, losing a tremendous amount of time.
And the question now...
The support's pretty wasted on this left side. The front looks good.
Now, what he's talking about, the support being wasted on the left side, at the back structure, there's a very critical piece on this car. It's a wing support. With the loading on these cars, there's a tremendous downforce. Should the support break, then it becomes an airplane.
Okay, now let's go on board with Pat Long in the 6th. There was apparently contact. It looked like it. Watch it here.
Oh, and that's heavy, too.
So now, what is the situation with the right front of this car?